can see this picture. Can you describe it? If yes, then it is very good. Okay, so how I do practice, I will tell you. Do you translate every sentence from Hindi to English? So that's why English feels slow and difficult. So translating is the problem, right? Because it makes you feel slow and you less confident. You sometimes forget words. You panic at the moment, right? So I have a solution for this. And if you follow this, so definitely you will be able to think in English. You know, friends, earlier I used to translate every sentence, and by the time finished translating, and the conversation was over, already over. So that time I feel very embarrassing, and so that time I decided now I stop translating in my head. I have a solution for this. I have three simple steps which I also personally use, and really it's helped a lot. So I will give you three steps. Okay. So the first step is um, start simple sentences. Okay. Start with the simple sentences like I am tired. I am cooking. Okay. I feel happy. And then step number two, talk to yourself. I am cutting vegetables. I am getting ready. My daughter is studying. See. And step number three, think in picture. Okay. You can see this picture. Can you describe it? If yes, then it is very good. Okay. So how I do practice, I will tell you. This picture shows children playing in a park on a sunny day. In the middle, a girl is playing with a round ring. She is wearing a red dress. She looks very happy and her hands are up. On the right side, a boy is riding a bicycle. He is wearing a helmet. He is riding on a small road in the park. In the front, a boy is making a sand castle. He is sitting on the ground. There is a small shovel near him. On the left side, a girl is sitting on the grass. She is sitting on a big colorful ball. She is watching other children. In the back, two children are flying a kite. The kite is in the sky. There are trees, green grass, and the sun in the sky. All the children look happy and they are enjoying their day. See how easy it is. You can also take any picture and try to describe it in English. When you describe things in a picture, so your brain start to think in English. And you know, I also practice like this. And sometime when I talk to someone, so English words comes to my mouth automatically. And yes, please, if you see any dog, so please say this is a dog, not use a Hindi word. Okay. If you see a tree, then you can say this is a tree, not say ye पेड़ यहाँ है, ये पेड़ है. Okay. So try to this. So you know it's very helpful for you. So what will happen? Your brain train to think in English, and one day, and when you practice daily, so automatically English word comes on your mouth. And thinking in English is not a magic, it's all depends on your practice. Okay. And if you think in English, so automatically your English is will be good, will be fluent, and your confidence also boost. It's all about your daily practice. And I'm also trying to practice like this. I choose any topic and try to speak in English. Okay, try to describe like I right now I am describing a thinking in English, how it has helped you. Okay, so you can also take any topic, any picture, and try to speak about it. So what will happen? Your speaking automatically improve. Okay, so if you like this video, so please do like and subscribe my channel. And this was day 12 of my 30 days spoken English challenge. And so please keep learning, keep improving, and keep growing. Thank you. Bye bye.